pull-up jumper, Nugod Bebroso. May rebound and putback, jersey number 2, basketball count. Umulang 7 minutes and 20. 2-0 score, jumper for 2 points, Pakleb, basketball count. Barangay Kabayugan Cars, huli naman ang Pakleb, a fixing to naka-play, Pakleb again, 2-pointer. At player for team ng Kabayugan, Buena Pay Connect, at makakuha pa muli, 2 points by hindi po ng Kabayugan. Video inaatake agad na maayos. Pakleb, another try, another bingo. Jumper for 2 points sa mga taga-barangay Mahilig. Congratulations at ingat po sa inyong pag-uwi. Pakleb, 2 points. Mga taga-barangay po na Kabayugan dahil patuloy po yung kanilang paglamang. Kunting ingat. Good for 2 points. At yun pa naman ang ating pong palaruan. Talagang puputi ang tuhod mo dyan. Good for 2 points. Pumuputi ng gas sa ilang segundo lang. 2 minutes and 14 seconds to go. 18 against 6. Nasa front court. Easy layup. Kasalubong na naman. For team ng Marupinas. 9 against 20 score. 11 points. Good for 2 points again. Makalang Marupinas ay talagang maalon pa rin yung kanilang dinadaanan. Kaya hirap pa rin na maka-score. Dito sa ating second quarter. Ang malaking seconds to go. 25 against 9. Shot clock down to 7. Pumake ang numero 8. Kakainin ng depensa. What a move! Galing naman yun. Araro ko. Maraming nanonood. May mga taga-Amerika, mayroong taga-Japan, taga-international. Left for the 3 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. Pakleb on flight. Ang James Shop ng Kabayugan Cars. Good for 2 points. Tuloy-tuloy po, Pakleb, another steal and a jumper, Pakleb, 2-point! Kay paring Roy Kuhangkot, a.k.a. The Black Mamba ng Bayan ng Kalayaan, good for 2 points by Pakleb. Bola, numero 12 ang tatangan mula sa bandang gitna, binigay sa bandang Wakali, Pakleb, bang! 2-pointers again! 2 minutes go! Kita niyo yung lipad na yun, 2-pointers! Hindi pa nakakarpula yung ating rim ng mga taga-barangay Marupinas. Pull-up J, 2 points by Pakleb. Tama po natitira oras, 3 seconds remaining. Another wide open. Yes! Kabayugan Cars laban sa team ng barangay Marupinas. Easy layup, good for 2 points by wearing jersey number 31, Dugan Cars. Rebound and putback, 2 points again by wearing jersey number 22. 51 laban sa 11, 40 puntos sa abate, outside jumper, bang, 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 3 points! Galingan nyo po, magandang gabi, jumper for 2 points, basketball count. Sinamata Alon, hindi makaligtas-ligtas. Ang 14 puntos nitong nasa team ng Marupinas, 60 again. Remaining time, 1 minute and 45. Jumper by number 17. Basketball count. 2-pointer. Patuloy nilang ginagawang progress. Patuloy ang kailang progreso for the third period. Jumper by the Chubby Boy. 2-pointers. Chubby Boy para sa team ng mga taga-barangay Kabayugan. Winaping attack. Bang again. 2-pointers. That's the front court. Number 17. Layup. 2-pointers again. Malapit na matapos, 8 saglit yung natitirang oras. Kunting ingat sa mga player for team ng Barangay Marupinas. 2-pointers again. Numero 18 nagbabalik sa laro. Pakleb, another layup, another 2-pointers. Stolen by Pakleb and jumper by Pakleb. 2-pointers again. Diskusyon kung ilang beses malalaglag yung bola sa ating pongga karagatan. Pero until now, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Floater jumper, yes sir, by Pakleb. Philip, 3 minutes and 45, the fixing to the Pakleb. Ganda ng layup by Pakleb. But wag go, may putbang Pakleb. 2 points again.